Iti piso bhagava arahang samma sambuddho viccacarana sampanno sujato lokavidu anuttaro purisana sarati satta Okay, say sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Dear devotees in Dhamma, today is a very auspicious day. We are going to honor to a very great tradition, the Buddhist heritage. It is preserved from 26 centuries. So this is the one of the most and very ancient traditional heritage in Buddhism and Buddhist practices. So we call that Vassana season. I will explain you about what is Vassana is that. But before that we have some to do some duties to rituals, right? So the first thing is to invite. The invitation.
Thank you. Venerable Bantes. Today marks the start of the rainy season in accordance with the historical practice of Indian Buddhism. As devotees, we know that you, Bantes, will observe 3 months of retreat from this day forward. In this 3 months period, we will offer all necessary provision for maintenance of both you and the temple. At the end of the retreat, we hope to make a great Katina Chivara Puja to accumulate merit. Most venerable sirs, with hearts full of devotion and reverence, we humbly invite you, Bantes, to observe the sacred Vassana retreat. May your presence and spiritual cultivation during this rainy season brings immeasurable Blessings to all devotees seeking refuge in the Dhamma. For the second time, we invite both Bhantes to accept our invitation to enter the Vasana retreat here. For the third time, we invite both Bhantes to accept our invitation to enter the Vasana retreat here. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
Thank you very much to all. We kind and humbly accept your invitation to observe Veda retreat 3 months in this temple. So, passing sit for a while and say Namo Tassa Bhagavato 3 times to observe 5 precepts. Sake kame charupe girisi karatate changtalike vimane dipe ratte jagame taruana Gevatummi kitte bummacayantu deva jalatala visami yakkagang dabbanaga tittang ta sangtikeyang munivara vacanang sadavo me sunantu dhammasavana kalo ayang badanta Dhammasavana kalo ayang badanta Dhammasavana kalo ayang badanta Nityakanang devanang sutta Sudasina etam bhagavata varanasiyang isipatani mingadaye Dhammacakkam pavatitang appativattiyang samanena va brahmanena va devena va marena Brahmuna va kena civalokasminti itiyatena kanena tena mutena yava brahmaloka Satto abhukanki ayanca dasasasi lokadatu sankampi sampakampi sampali appamano je ularo vaso loke pasurao atiksamma devanam privanupavam kiyatako bhagava udanam udane